Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, we will learn how to make a box plot. Here's the example. The age of the US senators as of 2021 is given below, and we're asked to draw a box plot. Now, we've learned that the library we use for graphing is matplotlib. So we'll import that library and we'll do a box plot of this data set. I believe this doesn't need to be here. All right, so let's copy and paste this data and let's open Google um, Colab here. Let's just open a new one. All right, let's do a new notebook. Um, and as I said, because we're now asked to graph or plot, so let's import matplotlib that plt that py plot as plt, right? So this is a library for graphing, and then we need our data. So I already copied it and then pasted here. And now we're going to let's add another line. We didn't need to add another line. We could have done it in the same code cell, but let's do another one. And this is going to be PLT library. That actually the name is also box plot. So if we do box plot and we provide x, which is where to find the variable, and if we run this, it will give us the box plot. But we needed to add a few things. Um, Box plot, and the error here is PLT is not defined. PLT. Oh, I needed to run this first. I apologize. So let's run this code first so that it knows to include the matplotlib as PLT, and X is now. Let's run it again, and there is the plot. This is called the box plot. But usually, box plots are not given in this way. We need them to be in a horizontal, not vertical. So what we'll do is we can add right here. Let's edit this and say comma, and we'll do a vertical. Right? We'll make it false, so it can be um, horizontal. So if we do this, now we have exactly what we need. We can add more labels maybe by adding a couple of lines, but notice that it looks slightly skewed to the left, but not much. It's almost in the center. But let's add a few things to make it look good. So first, we could add a title by saying plot PLT that um, it's called subtitle. Right? We can call this box plot. The title could be box plot. And we don't need much in terms of the y-axis because it measures nothing. It's just this is variable one, which is age. But these are the age. So in terms of the x label, we need x label. We can add age. Right? So now see, it says it's a box plot and it's age. We could have added saying, U.S. Senator age, or we could add more, but just know that you can add these labels um, as you see fit.